Tēnā koutou tamariki mā, tēnā koe mātua whaitiri, ka pai. Mōrena tamariki mā, mōrena mātua whaitiri, atamari e tamariki mā, atamari e mātua whaitiri, ka pai. Just a quick reminder about who I am. I am Matua Whaitiri Pautawa, but Matua is not my name. Ka pai. I've had a few people over the last couple of weeks that have been messaging me as Matua. Just to clarify though, Matua in this sense is the equivalent of Mr. Whaitiri being my first name, that's the Māori word for thunder. So Matua Whaitiri, Mr. Thunder or Māori Thor. I'll answer to all three of those. Ka pai. Are you ready to start? Kia ora. Kia hora. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te karohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. How was that? Let's go together. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora whānau, ka pai. Let me go through this karakia one more time, I rote te reo Pākehā. I'll go through it for you in English, eh? Here we go. Peace be everywhere. Let the oceans for your journey be calm, glistening like greenstone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey. Ooh, it's good to be alive. Mauri ora whānau, kia ora. What a lovely karakia. Are you ready to warm up? Of course you are. That's why you tuned in, right? Here we go. Don't worry about it, babe. It's all good.
Yeah, I'm out.
Haka mana para tawanga wha. E ke mene pere te wenge whe. I ki mini piri ti wenge whi. O ko mono poro to ongo fo. A e I o u. Kumunu puru tu unga fu. Kia tere te haere, let's speed it up. Haka mana para tawanga wha. E ke mene pere te wenge whe. I ki mini piri te wenge whi. O ko mono koro to ongo fo. A e I o u. Kumunu puru tu unga fu. Kia ora. I love this one. It's a good little way to hey. Yeah. So moving on with our warm-up, let's go through for pakeke mai o mati mati. Koriri koutou. Ai, kiraro, hope. This is one of those waiata. I'll sing, you sing, but we action together. Pakeke mai o mati mati. Pakeke mai o mati mati. Wai fiua ki te taha. Wai fiua ki te taha. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani totinana. Hey ho! Hey ho! Hey ho! Paki paki! Kia ora. Ka pai, is everything okay, babe?
Yeah, can you just try opening that curtain a little bit, please? Just open it fully. This makes a lot of glare.
What's the issue?
people are saying either it's too dark and we can't see the TV. So I'm like, but we can't win. Yeah, that's right. No, I think that's better with that window open. It's bright and the TV is clear as on my end. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's
that'll
right.
That'll have to do. Alright, this is one of Ivy's favourites. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Koreri koutou? Ai, toru wha. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu I hua hae. Kapa. Now we're not going to take anything out today. What we are going to do is go really, really fast. Okay? Here we go. Toru wha. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu I hua hae. Kawanike, kawanike. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rema, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tekau. Toru, wha. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rema, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tekau. Iwa, tekau. Tahiru a toru wha rima ono fitu waru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Tahiru a toru wha rima ono fitu waru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Tahiru a toru wha rima ono fitu waru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Mauri ora. Here we go, whānau. Tu tira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Couple of reminders for this waiata. Tu tira, tu tira. Ka pai? Kaore ko te tu tera, tu tira. And our actions, of course, here we go. Ki raro. Hope, taru wha. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga. Ne te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou tātou e. Tātou, tātou, puriti a ki a mau, he au e hi. Kia ora. We love tu tira mai ngā iwi, eh? Yeah, of course we do. Oh, purea nei. Every time we get to purea nei, it just calms me down. Such a beautiful song. So today for purea nei, we're going to sing it together with the actions. And then I'm going to leave you to try the actions while I play it on the guitar. Ka pai? Alright, let's go team. Hope, purea nei, toru, wha. Purea nei, e te hau. Horoia. Horoia, e te ua. Fiti fiti. Fiti, fiti, e te rā. Mahia ake. Mahia ake ngā. Poraruraru. Poraruraru. Makere. Makere ana. Ngā here. Makere ana ngā here. Hey! Heoi, ko riri koutou. Are you ready for this one? Wow, kei hea taku pick. Where's my pick gone? One job.
No, I've
That's alright, I can play without a pick. Kawanike, Father Kawanike. Awesome, mahi. Hope you enjoyed those actions as well as enjoying the song. Beautiful song. Purere hua rereru ngā hau papa ki parirau rereru ngā hau ka piki runga rawa e papa ki parirau rereru ngā hau Katau runga pua wai ka whanau hua a purere hua ka tahi ka rua ka toru ka wha karu kare ka puta e whawhe. Here we go. Purere hua, all together with the actions. Taru wha! Purere hua, rereru ngā hau. Papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Ka tauru ngā pua wai, ka whanau hua, a purere hua, ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha, karu, kare, ka puta e whawhe ano, purere hua, rereru ngā hau, papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau, ka piki runga rawa e, papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. I enjoyed that one. I really did. Yeah. Kia ora. How did you do with your second verse of Purere Hua? Keeping up with the words and the actions? Good.
Yeah.
There's that second verse. It's there on the link. And what I'll do at the end of today's session is I'll repost the link to this document, the link to these words. It is already on the page, but it's quite far down now. So I'll repost it after this session. So for those that are joining us, messaging me, asking for the words, I'll repost that link so it'll be fresh on the newsfeed. Ka pai? Kia ora. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu kori. He manu fia. Piwai waka e. Alright, so one of the things I like to do with the song is to go really, really fast. You already know that. The other thing I like to do with this song is see this last Piwai waka e. I like to drag it out like it's the end of the finale on a High School Musical episode. Yeah? So really drag it out, give it lots of enthusiasm, give it lots of energy, hold that key and make it really dramatic and really exciting. Kapa? Here we go. Toru fa karanga mai piwai waka e tuki tuki mai piwai waka e he manu kori he manu fia piwai waka e. Dramatic enough for you? Good. Good. Kapa. If your neighbours popping over the fence to see if everything's okay, then you know you've done a good job. Here we go. Tihe mauri ora. Tihe mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia. Tua ke manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora ra. Let me recap the actions for Tihe Mauri Ora because I'm about to jump on the raku raku. So here we go. Tihe Mauri Ora, Tihe Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e, tua ke kārangatia, tua ke manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora ra. You got it? Good. And here we go. Guitar pick. Tihe Mauri Ora, tarupa. Tihe mauri ora, tihe mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia, tua ke manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora ra. Tarupa! Tihe mauri ora, tihe mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia, tua ke manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora. Tahirua tarupa, hiawe hui. Woo! That's a cracker song. I like that one. Lots of energy. So we're gonna skip through a couple of the waiata that we usually do to have a look at some new ones for us. Kapai. They might be old for you, but that's okay. Nothing wrong with a little bit of revision. Hey. So the first one we're gonna have a look at is the waiata that we are using for our titi dorea, for our rākau. Kapai. And there's two verses and a chorus, but today we're just going to learn verse 1 and the chorus. We'll look at verse 2 another day. Kapai. Kia ora. I'm going to say the words, you're going to say them after me. The first time we go through it, it's about pronunciation. Okay? E papa waiari. Taku nei mahi. Taku nei mahi. He tuku roimata. He tuku roimata. Kia ora. Let's have another look at that first verse, but this time singing. I'll sing, you sing, I'll sing, you sing. E papa waiari. E papa waiari. Taku nei mahi, taku nei mahi. mahi, taku nei mahi, taku nei mahi, he tūkuro e mata, he tūkuro e mata. How was that one? Okay. Let me sing that first verse for you, and then we'll sing it together, okay? Have a listen. Titiro ki ngā kupu, have a look at the words. E papa waiari, taku nei mahi, taku nei mahi, he tūkuro e mata. You and me together. E papa toru wha. E papa waiari, taku ne mahi, taku ne mahi, he tūkuro e mata. Moving on to the chorus, eh? E oe, ka mate au, e hine, hoki mai rā. Hoki mai rā. Hoki mai rā. Kia ora. So, those two lines are repeated. So I'll sing it for you, you sing it after me. Kamate au, e hine hoki mai rā, e hine hoki mai rā. And then again, we just do that part twice. Okay. Let's go from the top. E papa waiari, then into the chorus. And then we'll try it with our rākau. Ka pai? Alright. E papa waiari, taru wha. E papa waiari, taku nei mahi, taku nei mahi, he tūkuro e mata, e au e, ka mate au. E hine hoki mai rā. E au e. E au e. Ka mate au. E hine hoki mai rā. At this point, you're thinking to yourself, gee, I know this waiata from somewhere. Yeah, adults. Maybe you remember this song from your childhood. Yeah. What a lovely song it is. Over the coming weeks, we'll take a chance to look a little bit more into this waiata and where it came from and what the kupu means. But for now, grab your rākau. Some I prepared earlier. We're going to start off with a really easy beat, yeah? Boom. Toru wha. E papa waiari, taku ne mahi, taku ne mahi, he tūkuro e mata, e au e, ka mate au, e hine hoki mai rā, e hine hoki mai rā. Ka pai. Would you like to try a move with your partner to this song? Okay, let's keep it real easy. Let's go boom, chick, touch, boom, chick, touch. Yeah? A boom, chick, touch the right, a boom, chick, touch the left. Let's do that with your partner as we try to sing as many of the words as we can. Ready? Alright, let's go. E papa toru wha. E papa waiari takune mahi, takune mahi, he tukuro e mata e aue, kamateo, e hine hoki maira. Kamateo e hine hoki maira. Mauri ora. I want to know how you got on with that. Were you able to do some partner interaction with your rako and still sing at the same time? If you did, well done. See, it's easy enough just to sing this, but when you're trying to do the rako at the same time, it's really hard to keep track of the words and put it to the beat. So well done if you were able to do that. Kia ora koutou. Let's move on to another little waiata, eh? Okay. This is one we should all know. This is our national anthem, but it's in Te Reo Māori. This is the Te Reo Māori verse that we sing right at the very start, okay? And if you don't know these kupu, whakarongo mai, titiro mai, okay? I'm going to say it, you're going to say it after me. And then I'm going to say it and you're going to say it after me. And then I'm going to say it again and you're going to say it after me. Kapa, here we go. E ihoa, atua. O ngā iwi, mātaura. Don't forget to roll the R. Ra.
11:30.
Kapa. They threw me out. Ata. Whakarongo nā. Me aroha. Noa. This is where people say that we go, kia hua. But what we want to try and do here is quicken up the kia. Yeah? Kia hua. Ko te pai. And then quicken it up the kia again. Kia tau. Tō ātawhai. Mana ki tia mai. Aotearoa. Ka pai. With probably the part of this waiata that might sound a little bit different to you will be the two kia or kia. Ka pai? If we can quicken through those kia, te reo Māori wise, it will sound a lot cleaner. Okay? Here we go. E hoa, together, toru, wha. E hoa, atua, o ngā iwi mātaura, a ta whakarongo nā, me aroha noa. Kia hua ko te pai, kia tau tō ātawhai, mana ki tia mai, Aotearoa. Mauri ora. Beautiful waiata, beautiful kupu. And when the te reo Māori is crisp and clean through that waiata, it makes it even more special. Okay? Thank you so much for singing that waiata along with me. My apologies if it wasn't in an appropriate key for everybody, but that's about as high as I can get it without cracking my voice as I'm singing. Now, yesterday I said that today I was going to tell you the story of Rona, and we've just gone on 11:30. But I'm still going to tell you the story, okay? Here it goes. This is the waiata Rona. And we're going to start off singing it, and then we'll have a look at the story, and then we'll sing it one more time to finish the day. Kapa. Ki raro. Hope! Tā koto ana au toru whā. Tā koto ana au I te moe ngā uri uri tūake au. Titiro ki te atarau, kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kai he arona, kei rungara. Piri ki te taha, piri ki te mai o auera. E rona e, auera na katahi karua, auehi. Kapa. You ready? Okay, tell you what, whānau. E no ki te whāriki. Take a seat on the mat. Papa. Hey, darling. If I'm going to tell a story, I need to put my storytelling hat on. Yeah, this hat's been... Ooh, it's a good storytelling hat, eh? Alright, can you see me okay? Kapa. The story of Rona. Rona and the moon. A long, long, long time ago, in a small village next to a calm river, there lived a wahine. Her name was Rona. One night, her tamaiti... Oh. Were you right, darling? Yeah, get the bike way. One night, Rona went out to tiki nahe waimau to retrieve some water for her whānau, for her tamaiti that were thirsty. You see, water was stored in a taha, and a taha is it's like a pumpkin type vegetable, but as it ages off the vine, the skin of it turns to wood, and it can be used as a storage vessel. And their taha in their home that wasn't full of water. So in the middle of the night, Rona reluctantly, she went down to the awa, she went down to the river to collect the wai Māori, the fresh water. She arrived at the river, filled up her taha, and then started to make her way back to their small village. But along the way, the moon that had been lighting her path ventured behind a cloud. Rona's path became dark and she couldn't see where she was going, and she tripped over and she hurt herself. Possibly a sprained wrist. Yeah, maybe rolled her ankle. I'm not sure what the injuries were, but it was enough to make her angry at the moon. Rona did something that probably wasn't very kind, eh? She got up and she started cursing at the moon. She started saying some pretty unkind stuff at the moon. And the moon's feelings started to get hurt. And the moon said to Rona, hey, look, it's not my fault that you're out in the middle of the night walking around. But Rona's anger overwhelmed her, and she called back to the moon and started cursing at the moon again. Started saying some nasty stuff at the moon. And so the moon decided to punish Rona. The moon came down to capture Rona. But Rona, not wanting to leave her whānau, not wanting to leave her tamaiti, she reached out and she grabbed onto the ngaio tree. But the force of the moon was too great that it ripped up Rona and the ngaio tree. And to this day, Rona dwells on the moon, holding on to her taha, holding on to her Māori water bottle, and holding on to the ngaio tree. You hear those words in the waiata. Piri ki te taha, holding on to the taha. Piri ki te ngaio, holding on to the ngaio tree. Auera e Rona e, au e Rona e. Oh, how sad it is for Rona. We tell these stories in the Māori culture because storytelling is a fantastic way to teach our tamaiti, to teach our tamariki, to share lessons. And we teach the story of Rona. It comes with a few messages. Often when I'm with a group of tamariki and I'll say, who can tell me, or who thinks they know what the message is behind this story? And the tamariki will often say things like, don't curse at the moon, or don't swear at the moon. And they're not wrong. They're not wrong, but the message is a little bit broader than that. Have you ever heard this one? Don't say anything if you don't have nothing nice to say. Something along those lines. It's about understanding that when we say hurtful things to other people, that mamai, that hurt, it stays with them. And there's a consequence that comes with that kind of bullying. Hey, tikato. As well as that, there's also a safety message that, it's not safe, tamariki ma, it's not safe to be walking outside in the middle of the night by yourself, especially to somewhere like a river, which is obviously a dangerous place to be in the middle of the night. And if I was to look at one more message that's applicable to our contemporary environment, I might say that Rona and her whānau should have had some water in storage, Yeah? 3 litres per person per day for 3 days. Yeah, that's a civil defence message that's been with us in New Zealand for a very long time. So having that water, that emergency water in storage, making sure that we're saying only kind things to the people around us. Yeah, and some safety messages there about venturing out in the middle of the night. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful story, and I've actually got a photo of a taha. So this is a good or a calabash that's in its dried state, Kapa, and then so you can puncture a hole in there somewhere, and then dip that underwater. That will fill the vessel with wai Māori, with fresh water, Kapa. Also, there's a photo there of the ngaio tree as well. So piri ki te taha, piri ki te ngaio. Kapa. Alright, whānau. How about we finish today's lesson with singing Rona one more time? Hey? Okay. I'll get the words for you.
Can I come stand over here?
What I might do for you today, whānau, is I might actually play it, and then, look, if you want to do the action, skate te pai. If you just want to sing, skate te pai as well. If you just want to listen to me singing Rona, that's all good. Here we go. Too high. Tā koto ana au I te moe ngā uri tūake au. Titiro ki te atarau kei rumara, te marama e whiti ana kei he arona. Ke roto rā, piri ki te taha, piri ki te ngai o au e rā, e rona e au e rona. Tā koto ana ui te moe ngā uri tūake au. Titira ki te atarau kei rumara, e marama e whiti ana kei he arona. Ke roto rā, piri ki te taha, piri ki te mai o au e rā, e rona e au e rona e. Tēnā koutou. E kuhu mai ki roto e taku whare e tēnei ata, he kapa haka, he waiata, he whakarongo ki ngā korero purakau. Thank you very much for coming into my home this morning and sharing in these waiata, and sharing in our little story. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, Good Friday. Technically, I think it's a public holiday, is that right, babe? But we'll still be here, okay? We'll still show up at 11 o'clock and we'll be ready to go. If you are free and you want to come for a little waiata, get the boy. If you and your whānau have something planned, beautiful. But from my family to your family, Mauri ora.